Okay guys, hi, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Jasmine Rae, and today I'm going to be packaging PR packages. These are the lashes I'm going to be packaging in my PR packages. Each person, because I'm packaging two, is going to get 3 lashes. They're going to get one unreleased lash that I haven't released yet. Right here, I got one in the style Babe, one in the style WAP, and then they're each going to receive a style in Innocence, and one in the style Flutter. And they're also going to receive one of our lip scrubs. One girl is going to receive one in Raspberry, and the other is going to receive one in Peach. So what I do to make them look pretty, I have little holographic Ziploc baggies that I'm going to put these in. Okay, so I'm going to put the lip scrubs in these little colorful Ziploc baggies. I have a pink one and a green one. Boom. Okay, and then I'm gonna package these ones. Okay, my unreleased lashes, I'm going to put in a big one. These are the big Ziplocs. I'm gonna put WAP in here. I'm also going to put a Twizzler and also a Jolly Rancher chew, just give them a little something. And I'm also gonna add in a free spoolie. All of this is free since it's a PR package. I have to fold the Twizzler because it doesn't fit in there long ways because it's so big. And the Jolly Rancher chew. And I did wipe my desk off with a Clorox wipe. There, I added in the spoolie, and now I'm also going to add in 2 business cards just for them to give out if they want to. 2 business cards. Set those right behind the lashes. And then that's all I'm putting in this one. Okay, and then I'm going to do that to the other one as well. This is in our unreleased style. I haven't released these ones yet, but this one is in the style Babe. Okay, grab myself another baggie, put in the lash. Put in the candy. And then grab another spoolie. And also 2 business cards. And boom, got another one of those ones done. And with the other lashes, I have ones that only fit 1 lash in there. So I'm gonna grab those baggies. Okay, I'm gonna just put a lash in here. Okay, 1 more lash. Boom. Get all my lashes in their lash bags. Am I gonna have to do this vlogging style? I think I am. Okay. A couple pieces of tissue paper at the bottom. It doesn't even have to look all cute. Just something, some cushion underneath there.
Yep.
And then I'm gonna put this. I'm gonna put in this one, and then
that one,
that lash,
then
the other lash, and then a lip scrub. Okay, that's everything, and then I'm gonna close it up. Then I'm gonna get a sticker, and then boom. Jasmine Rae Cosmetics, and this is how it looks. And then I'm just gonna add in some packing bubbles. So now I'm gonna tape it.
dang, that's loud.
Boom.
Then cut it.
And then boom, 1 PR package is done. Okay, now we got another box. I'm gonna put a couple pieces of tissue paper at the bottom like I did the other one. Okay. And then here's her lash. then the other lash, and then the other one, and then her lip scrub. Then let's close her up, adding a Jasmine Rae cosmetics sticker, and then adding in packing bubbles, another piece of tissue paper just to make sure everything is secure. Okay, and then
the rubber band.
boom, and then there, all done. I really hope they appreciate this because I'm not a big brand. I don't have a huge business. I have about 200 followers on my business page, so I really hope they appreciate this. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Watch me pack PR packages. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, my business page, my personal page, my TikToks, everything. I love you guys. Bye.